cats are gonna fight. My cats are gonna fight to the death. Not to the death, but... Zelda! Linky! Come here, kitties. Oh, there's Nico. He's only got 3 legs. We call him Tripod. New camera. Do you guys like it? Jeez. His fat bum got through that little hole. John Cena. That's what she did last time while Link was still on his stomach. Well, on his back. She just jumped and hit his stomach. They're funny. Look at Nico, he's just staring. You okay? My scary stairs. Weird. And then we go back to everything's okay. Watch this, guys. I would try and get her to do 360 on camera. She will kill for this thing. do 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 do. Watch this. Aw, she's not gonna give it to me? Usually she goes over there, bites it, and then walks back to me. It's cool. Okay, so, hey guys, I got a new cat tower. We are still keeping our old white one though. That's the cat tower up there. Yeah, hope you guys enjoyed the video. And I'll see you later. Say bye, Zelda. Come here. Say bye. She doesn't feel like it.